Hey, hey, it's Patti Allred here in North Carolina in my car office again. Yeah, we got to stop meeting like this. I hadn't planned on picking up my grandson today, but you know what? Perks of working for yourself, working from home, you can switch around things. So here I am. And I'm sitting in the car rider line now waiting to pick up my amazing grandson. And yeah, the sun is beaming down. I am not complaining because it actually feels good. Although a little snow would be great too. Anyway, what's going on? I found out something this morning. That kind of, I don't know, it kind of just hit me. Let me turn this music down. It hit me in a good way, but it kind of hit me hard. I was watching one of my mentors, and I found out that, it's really okay to let people know that you're not the guru. You're not the I know it all. Hey, Darla. Hey. I just want everyone to know that it's okay if you maybe feel inadequate or think, what the heck am I doing? Why am I trying to help people when I'm not even sure how to do it myself? Well, you know what? That is okay, because none of us, you, me, nobody, we don't know it all. We don't know it all. We don't know the right way, and things change so much anyway. Even when we think we know them, or we might know them, they're changing on us. But what I do know is I'm a learner. I love to learn. Sometimes a little too much. I might put a little more into reading and following people and seeing what's going on than my actual daily dues. But then I'll reel it back in and get it going. Is this a little better? I'm looking a little white today. Anyway, so be a learner. That's what I want to tell you. Yes, learn. I'm 57 years old, and I will get so freaking frustrated because something that is supposed to be step by step easy, I'll get on step 2. And it's not working like it's supposed to work. I will, what I call, about bust a vein in my brain trying to figure it out. Now, I do have some VAs that help me, and they are amazing. But then I think, why can't I just do it? Not that I always want to do it, but it'd at least be nice to know how. And to be able to show someone if someone else gets snagged and stopped. So I want to come on here today and tell you, it's okay not to know it all. It's okay to say you don't know it all. It's actually better to say you don't know it all than to act like you know it all and say you know it all when you don't know it all, and we know you don't know it all. Let's learn together. Hey, I am on this journey, and I want to take as many women, grandmas, Mee-Mees, with me as possible. Busy women and a few brave men too. I wouldn't leave anybody out, but to niche down, I am focusing on grandmas because I'm a grandma. I'm a Mee-Mee. I'm a stay-home Mee-Mee, and that's who I am, and that's what I know to do, and I am mastering it, and I want to help you master it as well. If you want to bring in an extra $500 a month or more, it is freaking doable. It is. I've got several ways that work for me. They may or may not work for you. I'm not going to sit here and say everything I do is going to work for you, because it won't. But what I can say is we can find something. I have been doing this side hustle gig for 32 plus years. I have done it all. I know you've heard me say it if you've seen any of my lives or my videos. I've done it all. I'm telling you, I don't think you could bring anything up and I'd say, nope, didn't try that. Done it all. Yes, grandmas. Woo-hoo to grandmas. I tell you what. And I love, love, love when someone's even older than me and they get on there and make their first 100 or 200 or $50, whatever, make anything. It's so empowering. And a lot of times people think we can't do it. A lot of times we think we can't do it. And if we think that, we're freaking right. We can do it. We can do it together. We can do it alone, but it's a whole heck of a lot funner to do it together. I do have a group where I hit 7,000. Whoop whoop! I hit 7,000 members. I think it was during the night last night that I hit 7,000 in my group. And if you would like a link to join the group with these amazing members, I'm sorry, I didn't mean to spit on you. Just look in the comments or leave me a comment, group, and I'll shoot you the link where you can come join with us. Darla's in there, and I love working with Darla because she has a passion, and I have a passion, and we got this. We can do this together. I don't know how long I've been on here, but anyway, I wanted to get on here because I did schedule it to be on here on Mondays, and I didn't want to let you down. Didn't want to let myself down either. So I wanted to let you know what I had learned today. And one of these days I'm going to get on here and actually have notes and be able to go through it and not just get on here and talk. But sometimes actually I do a little better. Thank you, Karma. You are too. I love looking at your stuff. Know that you're worthy and that you can do it, and that we will have days that we feel like crap and don't feel like doing it. Hey, some days when I just get out of bed without laying there for, 10 minutes or 2 hours, then I feel like I've won. Look, I'll even count beating the microwave to the countdown as a win. You gotta grab those wins whenever you can. But do you do that too? The microwave's counting down and you stop it right before it hits that beep, beep, beep. Winner. Yes, we are. We're all winners. Listen, we got to have fun, or what the heck? Why are we even doing it? Let's have fun. Let's always choose happy. Let's support each other. If you're not in my group that just hit 7,000, whoop, whoop, and you want to get in, you want a link, just mention it below and I'll shoot it out to you. I do have a TV show out. I think my 4th episode will be coming out this week. I would love to have you check it out, and hopefully that it will help you be a better person, be a better you. You see, I'm me. I'm positively Patti, and I'm just Patti. And you know what? It's okay. I love you guys. Ladies, you go make it the best day you've had so far, and I will see you next time. But if you have any questions or anything, hit me up. We're in this together. I love you. You can make it a great day and choose happy.